Senator Chis Escudero for Senate presidency?
Nakapag-commit na kami. I don't know kung nakapirma na yung iba.
Ay kayo, sir.
Ako, nakapirma na ako.
Pero,
For the record, sino-sino kayong Duterte Black na nag-commit?
We call ourselves as Duterte 7. Duterte 7.
So that's you.
Senator Bongo, Senator Robin Padilla, Senator Marcolita, Senator Aimee Marcos, and the two Villar.
pero Senator Amy, sir, nag-commit na rin? Senator Amy?
I don't know. I don't know kung nag-usap na sila personally, pero in principle, kami, Duterte Black, napag-usapan namin, we are inclined to support
Senator
Senate President Chis Escudero.
Why, sir?
Well, wala naman kaming nakitang hindi dapat siya suportahan. So, we support him.
Walang kapalit like yung mga committee chairmanship, sir?
Wala naman kasi as is malago. Wala man akong hiningi. Wala man rin pinaramay sa akin. Basta nagustuhan ko lang yung pamamalakad niya sa amin, sa Senado. Yung leadership niya is, nakita ko is very open to everything. Hindi siya close-minded, hindi siya porque ganito siya, panindigan niya ganito siya, o porque ganun, yung nakikinig siya. So that's what we need as a democratic institution, pakinggan ang lahat.
So, sir, kung tatanungin ka, anong hihingin mong committee kay Senate President Escudero?
Wala na akong hinihingi kasi meron naman tayong equity of the incumbent kung gano'n, di ba? Kung, halimbawa, we will vote for him as the Senate President, tapos ayaman ng incumbent senator, kung ano yung hawak ko, I suppose yun pa rin ang hawakan ko. Equity of the incumbent nga. So, hindi ko na hiningi sa kanya yan. At hindi rin niya in-offer sa akin dahil that's my understanding.
Sir, last na lang. So, si Marcoleta nga ba, Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman, sir?
Yan ang hinihingi niya and I presume na napangako na sa kanya.
Sir, may talks about impeachment nung time na bago kayo mag-commit with SP Chis, may hiling ba kayo or any favors asked about the impeachment proceedings?
Wala kaming his stand towards impeachment is not a factor to our decision in choosing him as our Senate President. Ang pinaka-big factor dyan na nakikita ko lang talaga is yung pagka-open niya. Nakikinig siya. Lahat ng sides pinapakinggan niya. So, yun ang nagustuhan namin na liderato. Yes.
Sa impeachment, sir, di ba po, nag-move kayo para i-dismiss yung articles of impeachment noong June 10. Uulitin niyo po ba yan pag nag-reopen kayo? Yung hihingi na ho ba yan? Hihingin ba yan ng Duterte 7?
Mag-usap pa kami. Titingnan namin. Baka sabihin nyo, insisting naman itong mga tao na ito, pabalik-balik. Hiningi na namin yan noon, di ba? Pero one thing I can assure you is that ako from my personal na paniniwala ko ito, that since tinanong ng impeachment court yung House of Representatives as to their stand whether or not itong 28th Congress House of Representatives is willing to be bound by the actions of their predecessors, yung House of Representatives ng 19th Congress, are they willing to continue or are they willing to be to bind themselves to whatever actions that were took place during the previous Congress? You can expect me also to raise the same question sa floor once the 28th Congress convenes. Itatanong ko rin na tinanong natin yung House of Representatives. Why not ask ourselves also? Di ba? Pareho lang naman. Pareho lang. So, tanungin rin natin yung Senate of the 28th Congress kung are they willing to be bound by the actions of the previous previous Senate of the 19th Congress.
So, So, Senator, ibig sabihin, bago kayo mag-decide kung i-dismiss or hindi, paano po yung scenario? Kailangan po bang magbotohan kung sa tingin ng Senado ay may jurisdiction kayo o wala dun sa impeachment?
Yun. Dapat, it has to be established. It has to be established by the Senate, not by the impeachment court. By the Senate.
So,
We are talking about new composition ng Senado. So I am asking the Senate, not the impeachment court. Ha? Senate nga tinatanong ko kasi nga bago ang composition ng Senate compared doon sa previous Senate. So magiging iba na naman ang composition ng impeachment court. Di ba? Pero itatanong ko yan dito sa plenaryo namin as a Senate, not as an impeachment court. Di ba?
So, yan na po ba yung sa inyong pito, sir? Sorry. Yan na po ba yung yan ang i-raise ninyo? 7? Solid 7?
I hope they are going to support me, but hindi pa namin napag-usapan yun. As I've said, personal ko lang yan na paniniwala na kailangan tanungin rin natin itong Senate of the 28th Congress. Kung magpapabind ba sila sa actions ng Senate of the 19th Congress.
So, sorry, isa na lang. Sir, hindi nga ho ba proof na talagang tatawid dito sa 20th Congress at kailangan yung mag-trial, yung pong pag-return ng articles of impeachment sa House kasi hiningan nyo po sila may order kayo sa kanila eh. Na-comply na yung isa, sir, yung certification na in compliance daw with the Constitution, yung pong articles, and then magko-comply din daw po dun sila sa pangalawang order. So, pag nag-comply sila, hindi ho ba dapat diretso na kayo sa trial, sir?
Paano? Ibang na nga composition rin ng Senate na 28th Congress eh. Kaya tatanungin ko talaga para masettle yung issue of jurisdiction. Tanungin natin. Kasi tinanong natin yung House, why not ask the Senate? Pareho lang yun.
Hindi nyo napag-usapan yan ni ST?
Hindi namin napag-usapan yan. Ako, sa akin lang yan, personal ko lang yan na paningin.
Sir, personally, mag-move po ba kayo na ulit na ipa-dismiss yung impeachment ni VP Sara?
Hindi, siguro. Ang pinakaunang motion ko is to determine whether or not the Senate of the 28th Congress is willing to be bound by the actions of the previous Senate. Yun lang ang tanongin ko para masettle natin yung issue on jurisdiction. Dahil sinitil kung halimbawa makakuha yung House of Representatives ng kanilang positive action, no? Na talagang majority sila ay pumayag na yung tatawid yung jurisdiction sa 28th Congress. So gusto ko ring tanungin rin ang Senado. Kasi pareho lang naman yan. Nagtatanong tayo ng jurisdiction ng bagong Congress dahil nga iba na ang composition.
Sir, may we get your comment din po. Sabi po ng CBCP, nababahala sila dun sa delay ng Senate regarding po sa impeachment. Sa pagka-delay po.
Nababahala sila? Bakit sila nababahala? Ano yung kinabahala nila? Kinabahala nila na na-delay. There's no cause for panic. There's no cause for panic.
So sir, yung new composition ng Senate sa 20th Congress, natanong nyo na ba yung mga bagong members kung ano yung kanilang stand?
Hindi ko pa natanong. But it has to be taken up on the floor para everything is official.